In nature, survival often depends on the art of deception. Some creatures have evolved to become masters of disguise, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Among the most astonishing are those that mimic leaves, living illusions shaped by the relentless pressure of natural selection. From the delicate veins on a wing to the tattered edges of a decaying leaf, every detail is a carefully crafted illusion. Today we'll journey into forests, jungles, and even oceans to uncover these hidden artists of camouflage. Prepare to be astonished by the creatures that lie hidden, their stories etched into their very forms. This is a celebration of nature's most brilliant vanishing acts. Deep in the rainforests of Southeast Asia and South America, where sunlight filters through a dense canopy and the air hums with life, the leaf katydid reigns as a master of disguise. These forests are teeming with predators and prey, each locked in a constant struggle for survival. But the katydid has found a unique way to tip the odds in its favor. At first glance, it's almost impossible to spot the leaf katydid among the foliage. Its wings are not just green, they match the exact shade, texture, and even the intricate vein patterns of the leaves it calls home. This remarkable mimicry is so precise that even the most observant eyes can be fooled. The illusion doesn't stop at color and pattern. The katydid's body shape and markings go further, mimicking the tiny imperfections found on real leaves, like the dark spots left by fungus, or the ragged edges where insects have nibbled. These details make the disguise flawless, allowing the katydid to blend in seamlessly with its surroundings. But the katydid doesn't just look like a leaf, it acts like one too. When a breeze stirs the forest, the katydid sways gently in perfect synchrony with the leaves around it, enhancing its camouflage and making it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. This performance is more than just a trick, it's a matter of life and death. Predators like birds scan the foliage for movement and shape, but the katydid's mimicry helps it vanish from view, escaping detection by those searching for insects, not leaves. The art of disguise extends to the next generation. Female katydids carefully lay their eggs along the edges of leaves, where the eggs themselves are camouflaged to look like tiny plant structures. From the moment they are laid, the young are hidden from hungry eyes, giving them a better chance at survival. The katydid's entire life is a blueprint for survival. During the day, it remains motionless, blending perfectly with the leaves. As night falls and the forest comes alive, the katydid becomes active, moving under the cover of darkness, always careful to stay hidden from both predators and prey. Only at night does the katydid risk revealing itself, producing a brief, delicate song to attract a mate. This soft stridulation is the only clue to its presence, a fleeting sound in the vast chorus of the jungle. For some species of katydid, this disguise is not just for defense, it's also a weapon. By blending in so perfectly, predatory katydids can ambush unsuspecting insects that wander too close, turning the art of hiding into a deadly hunting strategy. This extraordinary adaptation is the result of millions of years of evolution. Only the most convincing mimics survive to pass on their genes, gradually refining the katydid's camouflage to near perfection. Each generation brought subtle improvements, making today's leaf katydid a marvel of natural selection. The leaf katydid stands as a living testament to the power of evolution, trading aggression and speed for the subtle, patient art of being overlooked. Its existence is a quiet triumph, a story written in green and shadow. Hidden in the green heart of the jungle, the leaf katydid is a secret few ever see, a reminder that sometimes the best way to survive is not to fight or flee, but simply to disappear, becoming one with the world around you. On the forest floor among fallen leaves, the dead leaf moth perfects a different kind of mimicry. Its wings are mottled browns and tans, shaped with jagged edges to resemble a withered, decaying leaf. Dark spots, pale patches, and vein-like lines mimic the blemishes of decay, while some wings even have translucent holes. When threatened, the moth drops to the ground and lies still, becoming indistinguishable from the leaf litter. Its choice of resting place is crucial. Among matching leaves, it becomes a ghost, overlooked by predators. The chaotic forest floor helps break up its outline, making it one with the debris. Even its antennae and legs are hidden, ensuring no part betrays its true identity. Over generations, only the most convincing mimics survived, leading to the moth's breathtaking accuracy. The deadleaf moth is a master of the afterlife of leaves, a reminder that safety can be found in embracing the appearance of death. In the canopies of Australasia and Southeast Asia, the leaf insect, or Philiidae, blurs the line between animal and plant. Its broad, flattened body and nuanced green color perfectly replicate the leaves it inhabits. Vein patterns, midribs, and even the legs mimic the structure of real leaves, while the head retracts to preserve the illusion. Eggs resemble plant seeds, and nymphs start life as reddish, new leaves, turning green as they mature. The leaf insect moves slowly, swaying with the wind to complete its disguise. Some species feature brown patches or ragged edges, imitating damaged or decaying leaves for even greater realism. Every stage of its life is dedicated to remaining unseen, feeding and mating with utmost caution. Intense predatory pressure has sculpted these insects into near-perfect leaf replicas. To hold a leaf insect is to witness a living sculpture, a masterpiece of natural selection where animal and plant become one. Deep beneath the rolling waves in the lush, swaying kelp forests of southern and western Australia, a remarkable creature glides through the underwater foliage. This is the leafy sea dragon, a master of disguise, drifting gently as if it were nothing more than a living piece of seaweed, almost indistinguishable from its surroundings. Its slender body is adorned with an array of elaborate, leaf-like appendages, delicate structures that flutter and wave in the current. These appendages are not used for swimming but serve a single vital purpose: camouflage. As the kelp sways with the ocean's gentle rhythm, so too do the leafy extensions, making the sea dragon nearly invisible to both predators and prey. Its coloration is a masterpiece of mimicry. Shades of green, yellow, and brown blend seamlessly with the vibrant underwater forest, allowing it to vanish in plain sight. Propelled by nearly invisible, transparent fins along its neck and back, the leafy sea dragon moves with subtle, ghostly grace, gliding effortlessly through the water and enhancing its illusion of being just another drifting frond. Unlike many other fish, the leafy sea dragon has no teeth, no defensive spines, and lacks the speed to outswim danger. Its only real defense is its extraordinary ability to disappear, relying entirely on its camouflage to avoid predators. This same camouflage is also its greatest asset when hunting. Hidden among the kelp, it can patiently ambush tiny shrimp and crustaceans, sucking them up with its long, pipe-like snout before they even sense its presence. During breeding season, it is the male who carries the precious eggs, carefully attached to his tail. At this vulnerable time, his disguise becomes even more crucial, protecting both himself and the next generation from hungry eyes. Yet, the future of the leafy sea dragon is uncertain. Its survival is intimately tied to the health of the kelp forests, which are increasingly threatened by pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction. As these underwater forests decline, so too does the home of this oceanic apparition. To encounter a leafy sea dragon in the wild is to witness a living poem, an ethereal apparition, perfectly adapted to vanish beneath the waves, reminding us of the delicate balance and hidden wonders of our ocean world. In the caves and forests of the New World tropics, the leaf-nosed bat showcases a different kind of mimicry. Its distinctive nose leaf isn't for visual camouflage, but for mastering the world of sound. This fleshy, leaf-like structure shapes and directs the bat's ultrasonic calls, enabling precise echolocation in total darkness. The bat interprets returning echoes to map its surroundings and locate prey, even detecting insects hidden on leaves. The complexity of the nose leaf varies by species, tailored to their hunting strategies and diets. For some, the nose leaf may also help break up their outline while roosting, offering a touch of visual concealment. In vampire bats, the nose leaf even houses infrared sensors to detect warm-blooded prey. The leaf-nosed bat is a marvel of acoustic engineering, a reminder that mimicry can serve senses beyond sight, turning sound into a tool for survival. Leaf mimicry is a strategy so effective it's evolved in countless animals worldwide. Across continents and ecosystems, from dense rainforests to the ocean floor, animals have mastered the art of vanishing in plain sight by resembling leaves. This remarkable adaptation is not just a trick of color but a complex blend of shape, texture, and even movement, all designed to fool the sharpest eyes, whether predator or prey. The Indian leaf butterfly, for example, is a true marvel of disguise. When it takes flight, its wings flash with vibrant blues and oranges, dazzling any onlooker. But the moment it lands and folds its wings, it transforms completely, becoming a perfect brown leaf. complete with a midrib and stem. Even the veins and tiny spots mimic the imperfections of a real leaf, making it nearly impossible to spot among the forest floor's litter. The leaf-mimicking spider takes camouflage to another level. Not only does it shape and color its body to match the leaves, but it also weaves real leaves into its web, creating a shelter where it can hide in plain sight. This clever use of its environment allows the spider to ambush unsuspecting prey while remaining invisible to predators. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko of Madagascar is another master of deception. By flattening its body and tail, it mimics a decaying leaf, blending seamlessly with lichen-covered branches. Its jagged edges and mottled colors make it look like a leaf that's been nibbled by insects, further enhancing its disguise. Even its eyes have evolved to avoid giving away its position. Underwater, the leaf scorpionfish is a patient predator. It rocks gently with the current, perfectly imitating a drifting piece of algae or leaf litter. Its body is flattened and fringed, and its coloration matches the debris on the ocean floor. This camouflage allows it to ambush small fish and crustaceans that come too close, all while avoiding larger predators. Beetles, mantises, and grasshoppers have all developed their own leafy disguises. The ghost mantis of Africa, for instance, looks like a crumpled, dried leaf, complete with ragged edges and subtle brown hues. It even sways gently, mimicking the movement of leaves in the breeze. Other insects, like certain beetles and grasshoppers, have evolved similar tricks, each adapting to the specific leaves in their habitat. This widespread mimicry is a striking example of convergent evolution. Different species, separated by vast distances and evolutionary history, arriving at the same ingenious solution for survival. Whether in the treetops, on the forest floor, or beneath the waves, the need to hide from predators or sneak up on prey has driven this incredible diversity of leaf-like forms. The world's forests, jungles, and seas are like galleries of living art, filled with creatures sculpted for invisibility. Every environment holds its own secrets, with animals perfectly adapted to blend into their surroundings, often going unnoticed by even the most careful observer. Next time you walk through nature, take a moment to look closer. What seems like just another leaf may actually be a hidden master of disguise, silently watching as you pass by. The world of hidden leaves is all around us, waiting to be discovered by those who know how to look. We've explored a world where animals become leaves, blurring the line between plant and creature. From the leaf katydid to the leafy sea dragon, evolution's artistry is on full display. These adaptations are more than camouflage. They're a testament to the creative force of natural selection. Invisibility is a powerful weapon in the struggle for survival. The stories of these leaf mimics remind us of nature's boundless ingenuity. Stay curious, and keep searching for the hidden wonders all around us. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more explorations into the wild. There's always another secret waiting to be uncovered.